Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to automate deployment of web server using Ansible and Jenkins. So to begin with, the following setup is required. That is, first one, two AWS EC2 instances, control server on which Jenkins, Ansible, and Git is installed, target server on which we are going to deploy the web server. Second, we should have the source code in our GitHub repository. So let's start with the demo. So these are the two EC2 instances. On the left side, we have the control server. On the right side, we have the target server. So this is the Jenkins dashboard, which is installed on the control server. So let's install the Ansible plugin. Go to Manage Jenkins. Click on Plugins, Manage Plugins. Click on Available tab. Search for Ansible. Select Ansible. Click Install without restart. So now Ansible plugin is installed. Go to Dashboard. Go to again Manage Jenkins. Then click on Global Tool Configuration. Then click on Add Ansible. Then give the name as Ansible 2. Whatever the name you want, you can give. Then the path of Ansible executable directory. Then it is // user/bin. Click on Apply. Save it. Now the Ansible plugin is configured. Then go to create the job. Go to new item. Give the name as Ansible demo. Click on pipeline and click OK. So we have this window where we have four options: general, build trigger, advanced project options, and pipeline. Click on pipeline, then write the pipeline script. So first, pull the Git repository. So the first step is, so click on pipeline syntax. Then from the sample step, click Git, and then paste the repository URL. So from this, you can copy the URL. This is my source code, that is repository, web server Jenkins Ansible. Copy it, paste, and click on generate pipeline script. Copy it and paste in the first step. Similarly, to run the Ansible script, now from the sample step, select Ansible playbook, invoke Ansible playbook. Give the playbook file name, that is apache.yaml, and an inventory file, that is dev.inv. So these are the files which are there in my repository: apache.yaml, the playbook, Ansible playbook, and the inventory dev.inv. So SSH connection credentials, click on add, click on Jenkins, then username. The kind should be SSH username with private key. ID should be private key. Description Ansible 2. Username EC2 user. Private key, select enter directly and click on add. Copy the private key value. So this is my private key value. Copy it and paste it in this and click on add. I can see we have EC2 user Ansible 2. Select that and Disable this host SSH keys check, enable it, and generate pipeline script. Copy this script and paste it in the second step. Apply it and save. Now the pipeline is ready, script is ready. Just click on build now. So you can see here the job is success. So it is running, the pipeline is running. So we can check it out, the web server. So this is the IP. So this is what the web server is running, automate deployment of web server using Ansible and Jenkins. That is what we have in the script. So this is the script for web server using Ansible. So this is about the automate deployment of web server using Ansible and Jenkins. Thank you.